Ever created an amazing video using free AI tools, only to be slapped with a big, ugly watermark? Annoying, right? But guess what? Today I'll show you how to remove watermarks from videos completely free. No weird blurring, no sketchy tricks, and 100% easy to follow. Ready? Let's go. Visit media.io. Media.io is an online multimedia platform that offers various tools for working with audio, video, and images. Click on Tools, and then select Object Remover from the drop-down. You will be redirected to another page. Select Remove Object now and you will be redirected to ANI Eraser. ANI Eraser is watermark remover tool for images and videos. You can download this on your PC or try it online. We are going to try it online for now. Here you get various options like Image and Video Object Remover, TikTok Watermark Remover, and Image Text Remover. We are going to stick with the first one. Make sure to log in with your account before proceeding. Then click on this Upload Here button or drag and drop your video file here. Once the video is uploaded, you will see a brush like this. This brush is used to select the objects that you want to remove from the video. You can change the size of the brush. I am increasing the size a bit. Then select the object that you want to remove from the video. After selecting the objects to be removed, simply hit Remove Object Now. It will start processing the video to remove the watermark. This may take few minutes. Let's wait for video processing to be completed. Here you go. Our video is ready now without any watermarks. You can play the video to preview it and download it to be used in your next project. And the best part is there is no blurriness as well. This was our original video before with watermark, and this is after removing the watermark. The resolution of video might not be that great, but is also a tool to enhance the quality of the video. If you want to know about that tool, please let me know in the comments. Check the description for the links and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe the channel to stay ahead in the game of AI.